Hey guys, time for another video, and this one's gonna be a little bit different. I am probably gonna be taking off the rear wheels so I can get these tires put on, but looking for the flash is also probably taking off the rear wheels of the Lexus so I can get smaller tires put on those. And I'm gonna dig out this front bumper so I can get the new lip test fit and everything, because it looks like Saturday's gonna be about 45 and sunny. If it's not sunny, that's fine. So I'm planning on, that's what I'm gonna do. The final sand and body work on the Honda. I'll sand it outside, get it wet, so it's easy. And then, so I just gotta do the tires, but kind of went antsy to get this JDM lip fit on my Honda, or on the Lexus, my bad. So we're gonna get the tires off and pull that bumper off. All right, got the bumper off. Just gonna get these zip ties cut. I think it's held on with, yeah, just one screw there. And I think a zip tie over there, yep, because that fell off one day. But this is it. I might take those off tonight, I'm not quite sure. But let's get this lip off. And then I'll show you the new one. Alrighty, so I got one of them out and unpackaged. And on the car, or well, on the bumper, it's a two-piece. It's fiberglass, and it actually like fits perfect. It's even got this little stopper right there, and that's one place to mount it, but it's also where it stops. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one. They packaged it really well. It shipped for like 2 months from Japan, so I gotta cut through all that stuff and then put the other side on and see if it fits about the same. Okay, so this isn't the best view of it, and this should slide down a little bit, but this is a clip of what it looks like. There's a gap there, but once I screw it in, I'll just fill all that with Bondo and maybe some fiberglass and do it the right way. So fitting pretty good all around. Pretty happy with it. So I might mount it, but I'm kind of scared of drilling it, so I think I need to probably take it off and then drill it and then put it on. But not too bad, I'm pretty happy with it. So next part is probably taking the wheels off this Honda. Okay, so I got it mounted with just a couple zip ties right now. I gotta have to do some grinding there. This fitment's horrible, and it's pretty much all the way over where it needs to be. And this one is fitting a little bit better. I ground some of that, but I can't get it to want to push over, and I don't really want to put a screw there, but I might have to just put one right there. I mean, that makes it pretty good, but I'll do that after. But I guess I might as well just toss it on the Lexus since it's cleared out of snow now, so I'll do that really quick, just take a look, and then I'm gonna take it off and probably take the wheels off. All right, so I got the bumper back on, and it's looking decent. I'm a fan. Definitely doesn't sit as low as it used to, but the fact that it's JDM and OEM is the big plus. So I guess I can't really get the body much lower because the frame is on the ground, but that's fine. I think I'm gonna like it, and I'll keep the other lip just in case I ever want to go back. But now I guess I'll just get those tires ripped off finally. All right, I got the two rear wheels off. Now I got the Lexus. The air compressors are filling up. Very slowly, very slow. But gosh, that lip looks so good. Oh, it looks so mean. I love it. All right, well, I got the Lexus off the ground, all the wheels in the truck. My neighbor down there definitely yelled at me for using the impact. I tried to get the breaker bar, but like one nut needed it, so I heard a whistle and a yell. I don't exactly know what he said, but I'm sure it was aimed towards me. It was like right on the time period of the 9:30 p.m. noise ordinance, but no cops yet. I've had them here once, but All right, Stu and I are going to take a look at the air out on the new tires. shit. But definitely a lot more stretch than the 225s that were on there. Those are 225s. So I'm gonna hand the camera over. The only thing I'm nervous about is the clearance for the rim to the ground. It's not horrible, but it's pretty close. So, all right, let's air it out. All right, I think that's aired out it. Not bad. Let's see what the other side looks like. Dude, that looks so good. Yeah. I really like that. Yeah, it's hitting right here. I just gotta cut out more of this door. Oh yeah, I finally totally cracked the flare right there, but oh well. Oh, and I just scratched the paint a little more. Whoops. Yeah, I'm not upset about it. And then these are the other tires. Oh, they're over here. The 165/40s on the 7. It's a lot more of a stretch than the other one, and it's like rubber bands. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm gonna put those on the car next. All right, so I got the fronts on, added the 2-inch spacer again, and now we're looking pretty mint. I still need to adjust the alignment quite a bit, and it's resting on the fender. So I don't know if I'm gonna roll or pull those. This one's a little bit tighter. This one is perfect, but I don't think I can drive at that height. So I don't know if I'm gonna shorten the uppers a little bit more, or do the spindle, or massage the fenders. I don't really want to massage the fenders a whole lot, but we will. We'll see what I end up doing. But I'm gonna toss on the rear wheels now, so we'll check those out. All right, so I got the wheel on. I'm gonna try to let it down slow so I don't mess anything up. Come on, fit. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. Oh yes. I think the other side's gonna be a little tighter. For some reason the other side wants to be spaced out just a little bit more than this side. I don't know if the arms are just a little bit different or what, but the rear has all stock arms, so I don't know, but we'll see what the other side looks like. But oh man, I think I can drive at this. Huge fan of it. Obviously I need a lot more camber and stuff, but for now that's pretty good. All right guys, so I'm just sitting here just looking at my cars. I'm pretty happy about it. But got the wheels on, everything. I still got to work on fitment and everything for the Honda. But I'll show you guys kind of where we're at. So right here, I need to shorten the uppers, probably another like 1/4 inch, and that'll be good. Here, just need to get the aftermarket uppers, and I'll get that in. I mean, this one is mint, but I can't run that or else I'll rub. And then obviously that's definitely drivable, unlike the other side. And this is probably drivable as well, unlike the other side. But take a look at the front lip. It definitely set the Lexus off. I'm really excited about that. But hope you guys like the video. Plenty more to come after this. I just gotta figure out what I want to do next. There's a lot to be done. So, but I'll catch you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. And my Instagram is different than my YouTube, so my Instagram's Cambered Lex. If you guys care to follow, chances are you're probably coming from Instagram to check it out. But I appreciate it. Subscribe and follow, and peace out, guys.